Introducing the RICOH DTF Cube XTF D430, the next evolution DTF printer. This is the world's first DTF flatbed roll-to-roll printer. It combines the accuracy of a flatbed with the efficiency of roll printing. It includes dual print carriages for faster printing and sharper detail. The LED status light and 7-inch touchscreen make operating the printer simple and clear. You can see what the printer is doing at a glance and control everything with an easy touchscreen interface. The Cube XTF D430 takes care of its own maintenance. It performs automatic cleanings and circulation to help prevent clogs and reduce downtime. It uses Eco Passport certified inks, which means they're safe for skin contact. This is an industrial DTF printer made for shops that print every day and need consistent, reliable results. One standout benefit: this is the only DTF printer that offers a printhead warranty, making your investment even more secure. The RICOH DTF Cube XTF D430, excellent choice for any business looking to take their DTF printing to the next level.
Subscribe to get latest updates about garment decorations and textile printing solutions. You can message us on WhatsApp or visit textgraph.com.